Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami ke be bin show. Tinatet venike no. Se wo use a esiesie ho, e ma ho ye kama, e ma wo ye obe mua. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Tinatet Venike.
Tinatet Venike is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Sorry. Oh, doc. Yes, I know about doc. I want to know why you did. Who knows why she. I've said, do I need to tell you, ma? No, see the young kukru. So, your stomach was said, the young heartburn, so I be come. And then crying, meaning said, if you be forcing, I don't know.
Test results naturally say when you malaria when you moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac, and a tinatet malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at a tumac. I'm my free.
Tinatet Malake, Eyama Ubia Wenya malaria fever, and a Tinatet Tomac mixture, Eyama Ubia Wenya indigestion.
Yen Shushemomus Wenya malaria and San Wafa Edri.
Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
This same man has disrespected my mother. You know, I have actually contained a lot. The worst of it all was what pushed me yesterday. And yesterday I didn't even know details. If I know details, said me. Time for crowd, Yaya and Kamel crowd. Or the bomb passing on the phone, the home. Oh, Abia office say, no kind of say, Abia office say, I don't know. But I am happy, say, even after my marriage with him, or piano or quapont, and people tell him, hey, the papa, no. Oh, the papa is say, and I go to the papa and say, oh, yes, any day there will be a any day, definitely. Oh, yeah, I've seen that people are following him. My WhatsApp group I'm following him. I know it was 60.6. I was 60.4. And it tells me that in as much as some people might not like me, you know, some people love me. Me, I will not wish him evil. But like I said, the Bible baby in the name one is all in the piano, said in the Bema, every funny partnership. And I mean it. I know what I've done, even this midnight. And I'm on my way to my village. So after all this, no, he has now told his people about the separation. I'm waiting for him to forward the separation that he wants. You know, for the details, name mommy. I'm ready for him. Now, for already, I will start releasing everything one after the other. Then we see between me and him who loses. If you can't appreciate me, don't be ungrateful to me, because I have covered a lot of shit. When him say in one of the audios, he told someone, say, many Selma issue nearby, and people were tagging him, and he doesn't want to be dragged into my mess, so he had to go and deactivate the tags and mentions on Instagram. So people will not drag him into my mess because or a gentleman. Me na me di nyede. Me that got him. Me di nyede. Meanwhile, you saw all these things and you still even asked me that you would marry me. You saw all these things. Depending kaye. Depending kaye. Depending kaye. Depending kaye. Depending kaye. So the person point blank. Even I don't know. I can't catch it. Me say some of the audios no. They say me see audios that me who screenshots with his number or coming neither. And funny enough, as from yesterday till now, some of his girlfriends they don't cry minimum cry in my DM begging me. Said they are sorry. And a lot. Some are even sending me screenshots and I am sorry cry. But me I've told them, those who have come to beg me, I'm not releasing anything of theirs, not even their pictures will be posted. But those who haven't, if you look at me, if you make the matter, or more dear, if you're moving. So more pay attention. So see, or your brand, or your gentle brand, or your gentleman. Or you say, oh, a gentleman, say me, papa. Oh, a gentleman, say me, papa. And you walk there for ya, or walk for ya, and can walk. I don't want to talk because no matter what, my worry, I don't want to talk. But some of my father's colleagues, the MPD from my business media contacted me, and we are ready for him. It didn't send me time, maybe a few days. If he doesn't come back to his senses, then the necessary steps will be taken. Because some of the audios, a quarter, Ghana very. I just want him to have the balls, walk to the registrar's office or go to court and bring me the documents. That is all. Or you just have to go no your boss, no the premier, no problem. I remember very well the very night of put a saying, you know how controversies are around me. Are you sure? Oh, say that's where your business is in the see you. No, we say what we say. Yes, one of the oldest I can't say girl will say that the girl knows why he doesn't like or comment on my post because he doesn't want to be dragged into my and then they made me that got him more. But see the audios Oscar, I will forward some audios to you. When you listen, you see. They can face you and handle you. Oh no. Before you came into my life, I was Xandy. When I'm a fast, so I can't afford to do my time. I'm building my brand. No, you don't know. But Sebi, Medin Kwasi Assembly, they are building my brand. The least you can do is to ridicule me. It's to ridicule me. Or even you should not even be. To say the Kofi Bizana say, I didn't know yes, I was a Mehano was there one, and enough for say, may hear investigation about him. Investigation, then are you a criminal for me to investigate him? Then I want him to mention some now for 4 no more cancers. Then I asked him now for the last time I met or who was a mattress phone from Monkoda. Now he's telling it on friends, and now for forcing my essay, then now forcing my essay. He wants to see me depressed. Or person whom I said, and I may handle. me hand on to a separation. Me how? Me no one a honey uncle. How no say me hand no, but your person could be now for now that at 10 minutes no. Now more I've seen some comments people say I took him to Juju. I've taken this I'll come for them as well. Baby, I'll come for them as well. If you don't know someone, don't just sit somewhere and talk trash about the person because you don't know me. You don't know me. My policy now is if it's a one ferry and I won't say many masses and I'll be free, then I won't also be shy to tell people what you are. I won't be shy. I don't care if someone mocks me with it or not. I don't care. If you want to mock me till I die, but the truth I'll stand out for. Me, this is me. I don't hide my feelings. As simple as that. Yes. Mr. Alpa, I'm going to try my best not to use abusive words on you. I'm going to try my best to control myself and then speak sense. Okay. You claim my husband, and now you claim Kaninja or whatever has come to you to beg you to date him again. And you claim say a karma into what Jimmy Kunu, no problem. You claim say me Xandy Kamel hey masnachi mi kunu no if you wo ho. Eraba, when you are giving the informations out, do your possible best and give out the right informations. Me munu, I was even very close to you. And me Xandy, na me know you're very close pa. Na me know dia grow pa, me know to say enkati any kwedu. Me know to say 5 and 6. All of a sudden, all of a sudden, I don't know whatever it is. And now my attitude. Me a president of Attitude Association for I'm from home. I'm coming course now come shirt and po. So me train me hope you home. Boko. Me ye say me ya na me ko be fie. Me no be any asem. I didn't come to wherever I was because of you. Nyawo intina me wo ho no mo. So I just didn't give a damn about it. Then somewhere in December 2019, I learned to say what you squad a mommy because what's see my bedje wukunu and I won't pna. Hey Rabe, Jinaho? The man in question he should be bold enough and tell you the truth. Stop dragging my family name and stop dragging me into the mess. Because you know people well say me, man bedje obi enfi unchain. You know, say Miss Andy, so be very careful. Don't push me because some me can was some one why show you when me draw kuhu? Why show you open me draw kuhu? If you continue pushing me, na me the one be man in the scale so why show you open the figana hanimu? What bodamana? If you are giving the informations right. And yet, but don't drag my name. Say I have come to snatch, or I came to snatch whoever from you. And karma. Do you know what karma is? Do you know what karma is? Can you write your name? Can you even write your name? Baby, I do know who made me have. So won't pay me the attention, and then your followers are medibamau. So won't pay me, and then your attention, any followers are medibamau. If you have anything to do with anybody or the man in question, deal with him and leave my name out of it. Leave my name out of it. Only be man nyina agina ho aka say Ghana fo nyina kan me. Woni be man nyina aka say Ghana fo nyina mpe masem. Why na ni mo Ghana ha say Xandy midinye magiatum. Men na me create a brand no for myself. Men na me create here for myself. It is a mo say Ghana fo woni be man nyina mo say Ghana fo nyina etamia. Mate magiatum Ghana fo nyina atame. Wona Ghana fo nyina edo. Woni be man mo na Ghana fo nyina adomu. Basebi Ghana fo nyina nso nyankwasiafo. Ghana fo bi mu wo hono ma mo ye nyansafo. Eni nti me kasa o mo be hu nukure na fi baby anukure no wo. Me kasa o mo be hu baby anukure no wo no mo fa nukure no. You people cannot kill my family members. You cannot drag my family name into the mud just like that. Mo bodamana. Mo jimijimiana. Now, this is the case. I never knew you were dating whoever is in question. Please, sis, please, I beg you, don't call me, Mr. O. Nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. I am crying because I thought I was with someone who could even stand beside me when the whole world turns against me. But here is the case, it is the same person who is betraying me outside. What kind of rubbish is that? What kind of rubbish is that? Me, I am not fighting over Kotie. I would never fight over Kotie. Even in December 2019, this is the message. When the person sent me a message, say, or no, then you were in Kumasi having fun or whatever, when you ska, into a new country street or Patasi and Fifu, I wish him well. And I told him, say, I friend a matter say, I see or no great trampina, and say, I wish him well. And I'll see you what and I'm a train me home. He came back, that was on 21st December. He came back on 25th December, and he was pleading, begging me, say, and he has called you, sent me messages, any voice note, or Yama Ukra, HS or New Ukraine. He begged me, Nemi Kasabe Brena Metia, send me see your mate. Sabi, some Jimmy, na Missy Bidio do Chinti, Matias here, and then me try Bibiaso. I had no personal issues with you. Me no crank Kasada even over a man. Now, me a radding yankopo, me no back cotia home. Hey, me no back cotia home. Sabio, Bearman Nanka was say, or Yansani, no de respect actually cutting home. Bearman wasn't going Yansani, Nanko or ma in the A. So Bearman money home, now was who I sound about however power chowa. When Bearman don't drag me, say you are in a comfortable because I'm in no so. Men no so, you are in a comfortable on your chair. You are in a comfortable on your chair. This is part one. Me say, me no Ghana ha. Me no so pa. So what was say? Bearmano or Yawodia, no problem. Tell him to be bold enough, go to court, send a member court, no court documents, no mess having me divorce. I would grant him. Onion ye send ninya fata. Tell him say, so I see I'm pa or ye bear my pa with balls, on mess having me, uncle pay lawyer, nay court. So I see or ye bear ma. No, see, I'm pa. Why will see? Wakacho so Jami or Bewaru will lie until me, Metia say will lie. No more saying divorce documents. Namanako court. Namanya a sene fatasa Xandy Menyano. Over than side chick Sako Sibia ye. Over than side chick Sako Sibia and he cannot even bring you out. Until Mikran for woman out. Because legally will lie. I am his wife. Traditionally, I am his wife. We will see. We will see. Why didn't they be able to target me with negativity? what's a Bemana catch say the whole world, Ghana for you now, Tammy. In Semi Cramba and Becasakrana, or Montiasie. Semi Becana Becacrana, they'll never believe me. Matiasie. Obi bia or one life yase. I was as my Mickey, me Trantro, Ananio, Obi, Ekawa Botina no Krenu, Onyini. This is my life. This is my life. I know what I am going through. Nasa mo pushing me awahu. Mo pushing me awahu. Never me the baba bontinu. Mo benu mo hokra. Mo benu mo hokra. What kind of nonsense is that? Awanya kwa mkoye. Atiti. Means me wa exes nibio. Means me wa exes nibi. Ask the so-called man now who see all power choso pel baka. To see how na would no. Ask him say, me ex be up no hokra say only there because me ex is a near be. My ex is who? On my near be on my near on my nyansa for. Kwasia, why? I am not crying because of them. I am crying because the disgrace to my family name is too much. Which responsible man would do this? Sabi, what's a side chick? No, oh, Hoswa, Bema Beja Wesiho, now I quack worry, now I sound basso or bepel, now I send you to Jimmy for when you me and home Hoswa. You lack men in your life, are they? This same man say was so mine. This same man say wo muadie. This same man can hold some ya. But me ma want him me kasada. Because me no any problem. I don't even care. All I'm thinking about is how to make money, how to focus on my life, how to take care of myself, my family, and everything that is around me. That is all. Now the ghost bloggers. No more blogging about me. No more dimatem. No more gumenimase. No more dimatem. Because the stupid man is telling you, say, me Ghana phone na empemasem. Because Ghana henina no obiatami amate. Say obiata in Zandia mate. Majiatum. Let the whole world hate me. Munina mu kuminensa. Ade boni be na maye. Boni be na mi kwa maye sa ade. Boni be na maye. Anami de mi na ho se be bi nya mi anko mpe mi. Hey, be bi nya mi susu anko de be tu papa bi so. Na wa kro me. Be bi enya me a. Be bi nya mi susu a. Ko de be tu papa bi so. Mose me mini fan base, Matthias and mini fan base, and so me uncle me a here neighbor, me dream me ho. So nobody should drag me into any mess. Nobody should drag me into any mess. That is what the man is telling the so-called chick. The ex. Nobody should drag. They be able to drag me into stupidity. Why? You think I don't have a family member? Or you think I don't have family members? You think I don't have relatives? Is that what you think? Me building a controversial brand for myself. I am okay with it. So as a movie said, because of the controversies around me, Sebi, Ghana for you now and Pemasama, me meka obia. So nobody should come to a step on me. Nobody should come and step on me. Yes, I can't. Who bet me examine you and monkey to Accra? Many and monkey to Accra, who bet me stand your mom. Fan ho bra. Wo be wo se de be fi no hu. Ye wa abodanfo na ye wa abodanfo wo mu. Fan ho bra. Wo be wo se de be fi no hu. Ye wa abodanfo na ye wa abodanfo. Ena mi di nye de. Mi kra di mboni. Entina onu kra oye mi kununu. He doesn't like my pictures. He doesn't comment on I on fan ho. Now, like you go and post, he has deleted my pictures from his page. Well, let me confirm to you. Yes, he has deleted all my pictures from his page. He has unfollowed me. He has done whatever he wants to do. That is what makes him happy. So let him do it. that is what makes him happy. Let him do it. But like I said, this is for you, the lady. This is for you, the lady. Minya time I'll address the man. Minya time I'll address the man. My father say, and a Ghana will be a pemasem, hey. Before everything, I will be a pemasem crime we will for Mudomi. Sister Xandy, will be a pemasem cry, me will be for Amodomi. Sabi, obi ampema sema. Me mami odi me ba wiase. Ona ni na chinchira me da. And this issue is draining my mother. Because mama never can crash shower. Or because me mami has done everything within her power to make sure say wo be man kra we ni baje. So this whole issue is killing my mother slowly. It is killing my mother slowly. Ade. Boni be na me dia yamu. Bonnie Bena Media said, "Who could you tell baby? Must you go and tarnish my image and tell the Ghana from Pefro? I know you are one of the people no matter the situation, you would always be with me. I know, Mr. Mefro. Why? Me pacho paminia, Mr. Before anything, before I will meet any of you, Kranu, I had people in my life who always had my back. What is the positive impact you people have made in my life? No. Like I said, me nya ho awo ho. Empanyifo bi na aboma no. Empanyifo bi na aboma no. I am actually tired. And yes, I can some me hwehwe go on ho. Mo ho be dream. You will tell me say I have done well. This person is hiding behind the impression that because I have created controversies around me, the whole world hates me. Everybody hates me. Obi ampema se matse. He's hiding behind that, and I diminya, and I come in slowly. Because I just don't want any problem. Say, maybe or no Batman can refill someone also kind even on his wedding day. On Ukraine refi and someone also kind even on his wedding day. Ade, Eraba, if you continue pushing me and you continue making all these ghost bloggers write those lies you feed them with about me don't have your boss Rubasa say, hey, I said the concert party no. You would be surprised. You would be surprised. The man you're talking about say Obia Jinefi won't say no. Eraba say wo refi am me kai wo say wo ye ka obi o ye snatcher ka wo na wo snatcher no efi Lizzy nchai. Wo ba ho na Lizzy ti ho. But Lizzy grow no ye ma mpanyi no obu ni ho ti no. Why edi? Don't push me. Eraba, don't push me ni mu ye pa. Don't push me. Don't push me. I am warning you. Don't push me. Men pass him. Of late, my lady and I'm avoiding social media. Not because of any of you, because I just want to mind my business and focus. And listen, my lady. Muka bibi ana my lady. Muka bibi ana my lady. Muka bibi ana my lady. Ade, body bena mediayamo. Body bena mediayamo. You authorized him in 2019 December. So on the meantime, just say he Sabi all trading he complied. He complied. No, no question hotel. I will can't include no quiet no so. Sabi who feels say when your bear mama. Hey, like I said, until the man in question brings his lawyers to me. Nobody divorce documents ebe breme na me sign it or no on to me waro obedi we yes he can't even make you public because the same Ghana for now or say omo time, omo mpemasem. So he doesn't want to be dragged into mimi mess and mimi yebiano. The same Ghanaians now, ebi musebi, ebi muye nyansafo womuno, they will go after him. The same Ghanaians would go after him and they would follow him. Now who says Sebi, me nye krano, me wa adofo mu ye nyansafo. Ni trimuno ose menye. Ni trimuno ose menye. God in heaven knows that I have covered a lot of things. God knows that I have kept quiet for some time now. Not because I am afraid, or not because Sebi me habo me hoso. Hey! Before I met him, when you remember no more pay me, I will post some of them and you see. I will post some of my exes now. Hey, me home on the sao. And ne crano. I have a lot of men on my case. Slow down. Then they keep dragging me. Honestly, I said the three percent because people are always insulting me. You know, me near for no teaching me. Me no me draw kuni huano. Kumi huana. Me no me draw kumi huana. Anaminya day. Sabi huano huatono. Ade. Me no me do na me kumi huana na. We who say sebi. Me dream me huana. Do you know what I have contributed to make this thing work? You don't know. So if you don't know the truth, don't drag me into any mess. Now why wouldn't you say me who be? I'll become me once and be a yeah without hearing from me. Why wouldn't you say me with the crabia? Not because I was a ghost blogger be I can't cross a family home. Now soon do I look a shame now with him. One Tim is out of the story now can be our own. The baby shall can obey a young sweet when you're the gender which I can't go my car, but what was your foul? I'm saying this with my tears. You can send it to whoever, I don't care anymore. Send ya or one you could draw a the kawa atuho. One you could draw one delete me pictures even the page so I can tell professor or you're single or name me jai just because I betrayed it, you know. I've also done the same. So I'm confirming to you people, more masubon jome. But legally, I am still married to him. And inti, why wouldn't him now the woman would never want to so new the quarterback cow trim? Why wouldn't him? Now baby you never want to so new. The quarterback cow trim. Try it. Try it. I've had enough. I have had enough. This person hides. This person is hiding under the impression say, or beyond myself. But I have people who knows the one of my marital problems. I have people who knows what I am going through. I have people who contributed to make this whole thing work. We men say me di. So we men say me di. My tears means nothing to you today. But tomorrow, when you start reaping from my tears, you will look for me and it will be too late. Because if I am not dead, then I'll be far away from you to get me. So we men say me di because Sebi my biamao. Sebi my biamao. My biamao. Michelle na common ni wo. Now so I've done something for you. And say me di. And say because of you, I have lost friends, I've lost some family members, I've lost important people, I've lost a lot of things. And they will be saying me di. Nyami bet siauka. Nyami obet siauka. You don't know what you are doing to me today, but the time you realize it, now catch. By the time you realize it, now country, me quite mama, now we have him, now we is now a day. It's me nya every man cheats, Matthias here. But must you use my name to go and deal with China officer who do know? I have the audios here. I have all the voice notes here. I have all here. And they are not just here. They are on my mother's phone. They are on my sister's laptop. They are on even a lot of drives. And I've sent to a lot of people because I know how wicked you people are. And I know what you can do to me. I know how wicked you are and what you can do to me. I'm if I'm called heaven. But Efe and the men wonyam and Intia. For the last time, I have never snatched anybody from anybody. I haven't snatched anybody from anyone. It is a wood chow one tron now can one summer and I'll power chow no problem. You're in a comfortable lead, no problem. And now we say no problem, we say no problem. But
am I a sumo? Yes, sumo ready. And you may a king cancer no. You be my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may a king cancer no. You better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here, China, who Hebrew.
Hey, madam!
Ajemkwani, Tina Tet Hayan Herbal Capsule, a drawing Tina per what to send me. Me ready a mention glasses. Obroni Bessie, see clear.
Hey, no crow. Kinaata Cyan Herbal Capsules, a full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby atwa for Kinaata Herbal Shop. Hey, now wait. Kinaata Cyan.
See clear.
Kinaata Dewey, FDA, Ashishim, Ajia Tumse Eje.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di no ya maboboso nyina. Eno ne yede ahye Kinaata 230 herbal. Wo ya bema na wo no mu a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Eno ane se wo benum bi, wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Kinaata 230 herbal. Eye yen kwankwa. Power to the people. Me try 230. So I will what feeling? How down me back? Kinaata 230 herbal.
Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofasa edrowi. Oba awafa yefunu. Ne all man e banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie du watching.